AI weapons are already here. Drones that pick targets themselves. Systems that predict attacks before they happen. But what's coming next is beyond imagination. This is the future of military technology. Beyond AI. Imagine soldiers who don't need radios because they communicate brain to brain through neural interfaces. That's not science fiction. DARPA is already testing it. Imagine drones that don't just fly, but learn, adapt, and fight in autonomous swarms without a single human controlling them. Now imagine quantum weapons, systems that can jam, intercept, or manipulate signals in ways no current radar or satellite can even detect. While most people are just learning about AI, the military world is preparing for a much more complex future. Think of exoskeleton suits that give soldiers superhuman strength, speed, and endurance, or satellites that don't just observe, but fire energy-based weapons from orbit. In this future, data isn't just valuable, it's a weapon. Wars will be fought in milliseconds through cyber attacks, digital sabotage, and algorithmic deception. And then there's the dark side. Biological augmentation, weaponized viruses, artificial life forms created solely for combat. Some of these are already being prototyped in defense labs around the world. But here's the twist. In a world full of machines, the most powerful weapon may still be the human mind, directly connected to the battlefield through tech. The future of warfare is not coming. It's already begun. And most people have no idea. Subscribe to Trigger Tailies and be the one who knows what's coming before it hits the battlefield.